Our Hiligaynon word for the day is bádlis. Bádlis. When we say bádlis, that means anointment or unction. It can also mean the sacrament of extreme unction, to anoint, salve, or to treat with unguent, or to administer extreme unction. Bádlisi siya, that means anoint him. Bádlisi siya. Pabadlisi siya, that means have him or her anointed. Pabadlisi siya. Pabadlisan mo ang may masakit nga tawo. Pabadlisan mo ang may masakit nga tawo. That means have extreme unction administered to the sick man or sick person. Pabadlisan mo ang may masakit nga tawo. Ibadlis ina sa iya. That means anoint him with that. Ibadlis ina sa iya. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, bádlis. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.